In a significant update for parents and guardians, the School Management Committee of Khumphui Academy announced on Monday a major change to its admission policy for the upcoming academic session. The committee has decided that the school will accept new applications only for nursery and KG1 classes this year. No new admission will be entertained for higher grades. The School Management Committee clarified that this decision was necessitated by the school's current enrollment status. The school has reached its maximum student capacity across most grade levels.
Hambai, tini जों Khumphui Academy ni SMC committee ni ongoi kisa lukurongno kokasana ni musugo जों admission tuyoi. Taklai जों meeting o salaika senior belai kheno student bangmani bagai seat koroi amon bagai जों taklai nursery bo kaisa section tlangnai tai KG1 o tai kaisa section tlangnai tai KG2 ni simi ayang saka जों kebono phana admission khlaimanglak tai hingkai sini CBSE ni norms abno bo जों manai cholna nango tai Vidyajyoti school a norms no bo जों manai cholna nango amon bagai sinaro accommodation problem tongo teacher ni bo problem tongo amon bagai जों tai kono class जों taklai tlangya ni जों salaikya meeting o amon bagai जों lukurokno sana nayo haksal gana ni takubukhou rok norok khana baidi norok sudu nursery tai KG1 admission ni bagai baskang March ni 2 tarik ni simi जों form renai kokno sana ni bagai no जों tini sini media o जों ma phaika sini student belai kheno bangkha tabok jara taklai 2025-26 sini 2456 students tongo hangkai master hangkai tabok jara 95 jona tongo amoni bagai जों section o 40 ni bara जों khlaimia CBSE ni norm tini accommodation koroi room koroi bench koroi master koroi am bagai जों kuno mote taklai admission naimia kokno no जों sanani bagai tini media no maringkha hambai.
Reported by Surajit Rupini from Khumulong, Chinikhorang.